Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala Sayyid al-Anbiya wal-Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected audience and all those who value peace and humanity. Our beloved Sayyidina Khwaja Moinuddin Chisti, lovingly called Gareeb Nawaz, the Sultanul Hind, is not just a Sufi saint but a shining example of love, kindness and humanity. His shrine in Ajmer Sharif is a place of peace, welcoming millions of people, no matter their religion or background. Yet today, some are trying to tarnish his message of love and togetherness with hatred and lies. Let me remind everyone that who Sayyidina Khwaja Gareeb Nawaz was. When he came to India, he didn't bring weapons, he brought words of wisdom. He didn't conquer lands, he won hearts. His message was simple: love towards all and malice towards none. And this is why he is called Gareeb Nawaz, the helper of the poor. And this is why his life is an inspiration for anyone who values humanity. At a time where divisions are growing in our society, the legacy of Khwaja Gareeb Nawaz is a clear example that how we should live. His shrine is not just a building, it is a symbol of unity and a safe place where the people of all religions come together to pray and find peace. Respected audience, today some people are attacking this legacy. They are spreading falsehood and trying to create divisions. To them, we say, stop. The truth cannot be destroyed. The history of Sayyidina Khwaja Gareeb Nawaz is not just written in the books, it is written in the hearts of millions. For centuries, his shrine has been a place of hope for the helpless, a place of healing for the sick, and a place of prayer for the people seeking answers. And now my message for all Muslims and all followers of Sayyidina Gareeb Nawaz: we cannot stay silent. Silence led hate to grow. Let us speak up, defend the truth, and let us share the teachings of Gareeb Nawaz: kindness, love and justice. And now to the people of India. Our country has always been a land of spiritual greatness. The shrine of Gareeb Nawaz is a treasure of this heritage. And Ajmer Sharif, the shrine of Gareeb Nawaz, is a part of soul, India's soul. Respect it, protect it, and let it continue to unite us all. May we strive to follow this path, to live with love and to stand strong against hate. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us and protect the legacy of Khwaja Gareeb Nawaz forever. Ameen. Wa ma tawfiqi illa billah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.